Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have JBL T460BT wireless Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these headphones are not working because they're not connecting to your phone, or they keep disconnecting, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth or anything like that. Can very often be fixed with a factory reset. If you can't get them fixed, or you decide you just want to buy a new set of headphones, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good pair at a good price. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this reset is for whatever reason that you have where you want to just delete all the pairing history off of them, clear out the settings so that you can set these up basically like they're new coming out of the box. We can just do this really easily. All we need to do is we need to make sure that they're turned on. And once they're turned on, we're just going to come and press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously for more than 5 seconds. And after those 5 seconds or so, the headphones will automatically turn off and then reboot into their factory default state. And you can go ahead and set them up like they're new.